Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here from Axion, and today we're going to be going over our 2022 Acura RDX Aspec all-wheel drive and doing a walkthrough video of our current mods right now, what we have on the car, and also what we have in store for December, and getting this thing making up around 450 horsepower, 450 torque. So let's get into it. All right guys, this is our 2022 Acura RDX Aspec, famous for my K20 all-wheel drive license plate. Picked this car up just over a year ago, and probably one of my favorite Hondas I've ever owned, to be quite honest. It's nice luxury, looks great, handles good. The power's fantastic on it, and yeah, I just love this car. It's perfect. We're going to show you what's under the hood right now, go over some of the mods that we currently have, and then I'm going to show you what we have in store. So under the hood here, please excuse the dust. It is obviously dirty in Arizona. I haven't detailed it for a while, so I'm going to clean it off here in a few weeks. But we have the custom painted valve cover with the Acuity oil cap. And what we did here is we have the PRL Accord intake. It's got using the Accord math housing. We've just done a short ram intake on it. And we're using that for now with the stock inlet pipe. And below it, you can kind of see we have the HPS intercooler upper. I am going to be fitting, or trying to fit, the Accord intercooler full piping kit on this when we do the turbo upgrade, along with possibly the Acuity Type R reverse flow radiator hoses. And what we also have on here, I don't think you can see it very well, but we do have a RV6 heat coated downpipe on here. And if we come around to the back, it is actually mated up to the Graham Rahal or GRP Performance 3-inch catback, which is fantastic. And obviously the only mod exhaust you can actually get on this, except if you do it for yourself. We're also sitting on 20x9 Ferrata wheels. I still kept the stock tires for now, just because I don't see the point in upgrading until we need to. But we are going to be going probably about 20 millimeters wider on them. And we also have a brake kit that we need to show you guys, which we'll be putting on also at the same time as the turbo kit. All right guys, these are the parts we're going to install. We are putting on a MHI Stage 2 turbo. This is from a Type R, comes with the wastegate. Basically, it's a Type R turbo, just has a different shaft inside and a much nicer setup. On these are good for around, if you're on meth and running E30 with the fuel line mod, you're going to make around 460 wheel horsepower, 460 torque. And we are going to use the PRL Titanium Inlet pipe, which will replace this stock one. And yeah, so pretty much tuned on this setup. We're looking for, just on the E30, I would say around, with the all-wheel drive, I don't know because of the drivetrain loss, but just average around 410, 400 wheel horsepower, 400 torque. I'm also waiting for some of the hardware kit, which will allow us to swap this. PRL have a new kit out for the Accords. Should pretty much all work on this car, since they're virtually almost identical in most aspects. Yeah, but we are going to be installing this probably in December. If I can get a break from office work and spend some time on this. It's not too big of an install. I'd probably say it'll probably take me about 3 hours tops or so. But I am going to be videotaping and going through every aspect of how to install it. And yeah, so definitely stay tuned, like and subscribe. And we're going to have more videos coming out on the RDX. I'm probably going to do one more pool now that it's cooled down here in Arizona, just to show you guys this stock turbo with the mods we currently have. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll have a video up soon. Have a good Thanksgiving, everyone. Thanks a lot.